So I'm getting more questions about which AI agent workflows should I actually use. Okay. If you're enterprise level, quite often you don't get a choice. I'm finding that the bigger guys are, well, we use Microsoft, so we have to use that. Okay. So there's your answer. If you're in Google ecosystem, well, there's your answer. Okay. Easy enough. One of the reasons that people look at something outside of that is where they use no code options. So it's like drag and drop solutions. Don't have to be techie. You could learn it yourself if you're a small business owner. I've got a sprint coming up on the 1st of October. If you're interested in that, go to the website, thearmarketingclub.com, and look for events, and it's on there. But effectively, you don't have to be a tech head to be able to create your own little AR marketing team or your little employees. Okay. So the benefit of the drag and drop solutions are knowing, well, first of all, the cost for a start. Secondly, you can do it in-house. Thirdly, you don't actually have to employ full-time people to be able to do things that you repeatedly are having to do yourself. Less spinning plates for you means more time for yourself, for your family, for doing the things that you like, instead of actually doing the grindy stuff of your jobs. Okay, so one of the reasons that people like to do that drag and drop option, well, I call it drag and drop. It's not quite drag and drop, but it's close enough. Is that you can choose different models as well. So which one should I use? Well, Claude is better for writing, for example. So you might want to flip to the Claude model to do your copywriting for your posts. Okay. Maybe you want to flip to, I don't have to. The other option is, if you don't want to be, if not interested in that, just make it our problem. We have a done for you solution. But I just wanted to point out the differences. And then, Gemini's Nano Banana to be able to do your images, or ChatGPT's become better. And then you can get your options. Do me one from each of the models so that I know which one I can then choose from. And then you have the power to then post it up online. So you see, it's shifting away from, this is way out of our reach. This is enterprise level solutions that small businesses can now actually implement themselves if they want to. And that's what my DIY sprint is, 1st of October, if you're interested in that one. No, I'm lying, 1st of November for that one, 2026. And by the way, if you are in New Zealand, you may be eligible for Regional Business Partners Network funding. Okay, but you have to be eligible. So just to put it out there. So do a reach out if that is of interest to you. Not anywhere near as dear as what they used to be. So seriously take a look at it. That's why people tend to look at those different options. And I hope you found that useful, and I will see you again.